Hello guys, again thank you so much for stopping by. Today I'm feeling a little bit under the weather and I still wanted to put out something for you guys today. So today we're going to just do some inspiration for home office decor. Please enjoy. I hope you got some ideas, some designs, and some inspiration from today's video. Again, thank you so much for stopping by. And until next time, Il Bolto Roulé. Please like, comment, and subscribe. I'll see you on the next video.